Guys, welcome back again. So today I'll be showing you how to do the butterfly braids. This one for attachments. So I have the braid here. I'll just be using medium size, but for the start you have to make it a little bit thin depending on the size you want. And then when you start adding, you can add braid. So you lay your braid like that, then you plait. So I'll start by adding. You just do like the normal Bandika lines, the normal Ghana weaving. Okay, so you add and make sure that when you start it, you have to make it to be tight, because when you'll be making the butterflies, it comes a little bit loose. So we add the braid like that, then you plait, and after that you start by moving just a little bit here. You just pull, and then you add. Going to the other side again, you pull the same place to the exact place you pulled the other side. That way you can even skip it depending on how you want it to be. So you add braid. You can see the start the way it looks. So you add braid, you plait, then you pull here. You have to skip. You can skip two, or you can skip one and then you pull. It will depend how you want it to be. If you want it to be too close, then you can skip. You skip one and then you pull the next one. So you pull this side. As you can see, I'm holding it tight because when you pull them, they become a little bit loose. So you have to make them to be tight. All right. So you add again, you plait, then you come to the other side again, you pull them like that. So then you add braid again, you plait, and then you pull here. Then you have to add again so that you can pull the other side. So you pull here again, just like that. I don't know if I'm using the right word, but if you know how I can say it, then you can just write a comment. Okay? So you add braid, plait, hold it firm, and then pull this side here, and then also to the other side like that, and then until the end. Okay? So the process continues like that. You add braid, you plait. After making it firm, you pull the other side again. So you have to balance this side, the other side, the left to right. You balance all the sides. Okay? So I haven't gotten the right braid. This one I'm using is expression. I just cut it once so that I can get two pieces. So this is expression braid, and I think it's good for this braids because it's straight. and that's why I used it. And if you know that you know another braid that is good with doing such braid, then you can just write at the comments, and then I can read, and then I get to know more, because I don't know which braid I can use to bring it out more better than this. Yeah, but for now I'm using this one expression. So it's good to share ideas. So if you have an idea which braid is so firm and so straight than this, that has no split ends, something like that, then you can tell me. It's good to share ideas, you know that. Yeah. So guys, this is how it goes. And so these ones, you can use them to make if you make this size I'm doing, you can make only 4 or 5 on your client's head, depending on this size. But if you want to make a little bit more, you can do 6, but you make a different size of braid, because this one is a little bit thick, so you can make a thinner one, and then you can make a few more braids on your client's head, or more strands of braids. Yeah, so that's how it is. Okay, so as I said earlier, you can just tell me or let me know if you know anything about better braid to use while doing this style. Okay, so here at the end I have just to play it like that until the end, because if you continue to pull it like that, then you'll be having many splits at the end, and it's not good. So you have to make the tail go straight like that. Yeah. So that's it. So you can put a knot if you want, or you can leave it depending how you want it to be. Okay, so that's how it looks. And so if you use colors, it looks more sweeter than using the darker colors, like let me say black or what and what. But if you use these different colors, they look good. So guys, you can try it and then see how it looks. Okay, and so shortly I'll be showing you how you can feed on your client's head, and I will only show you one line. So here we go. I have my needle here with the thread, so I have to lay my needle down the line like that. And so this is my strand. I have to put here the needle, and then I pull it like that. And I have to make sure that it's firm before I continue the other part. So I have to concentrate here to see it's firm. My thread is very strong, so I don't have to hold it many times here. So I just have to go this side and the other side, and then I continue. So you'll be going weaving going onwards, but you have to skip the butterflies. This one here, you have to skip the butterflies as you continue. So you lay your needle down there to the other side and pull it, and then you have to lay it again there to the other side, and then you pull it. Make sure that it holds, when you lay it down here like this, it has to pass through the underline and then to the other, to come out to this strand of braid. So when you lay it, make sure it passes through the plaited inner line and then through to the other strand that you are adding on. Okay, so guys, this is just the simple process. I know everybody can do it because it's very simple. Maybe only the how to make the butterfly braids, maybe that will be the only problem, maybe if you're not used to. But the only tip I can give you, you have to tie the braids first for a better results. Okay, so you have to go like that, skipping the butterflies and then until the end. But when you reach here, you have to hold the plaited inner line. This one, this tail remaining here, you have to feed on this line like that. So you feed until the end. Okay, so this is how it looks. You can see the butterflies, yeah? So guys, this is how I did for myself and it came out good. So thank you so much for watching and bye bye.